In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here at the bottom of the list you will notice developer mode. If you cannot find developer options right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode, developer panel, and then smoothly click to open. Scroll a bit lower and here you will find demo mode. To turn it on, just mark the switcher and click on turn on to confirm that you want to use it. Then whenever you'd like to switch off demo mode, all you need to do is to unmark the switcher and you've just deactivated demo mode. So this is it, this is how you can reach demo mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.